This is a short video on using the NITRO Studio Teams integration. So right now, the way it works is you go to Custom Actions, and in Custom Actions you can select any list. Here's an example, and in that list, when you look at the actions, whether you create a new custom action or edit an existing one of the actions now that's appearing is send Teams message. And so let's look at how that's configured. You give the action a name, message, send message to Teams channel. You can put whatever you want here, marketing, comma, general, marketing slash general, right? And then you can have some conditions if you like, and you can either send a Teams message or an email. An email is just set up the email address of the channel, the subject, message type, plain text, and what the message is, and you can add placeholders here from the item, such as title, whatever you want from the item you're working in, and item where the custom action is running. Or you can do a Teams message, and then you would select the team, you select the channel, and then just type your message. And the same idea, you can also use placeholders there. When that runs, it will create a message or send a message to that channel. So let's look over here at that particular channel. It's marketing general, and here it goes. It's getting these messages every time I ran this custom action. It was putting this message over here. It's something I set up previously, but and I had it all filled in so that an account and contact were created for, and this part was a placeholder of the title. So it sends it right over there. And by the way, while we're looking at this team channel, we can see if we go to the ellipsis, there's a way to get the email address. So I could have sent it to this email address also if I wanted to. And then it could use the email instead. So either way. But to get this going, I'll cancel this. You need to go to the site settings of the site you're running in. This is what has to be done one time before you can use this custom action in send Teams message. You have to go to NITRO site settings, right? Then NITRO site settings. And when you open it up, there's one here called Teams connection settings. So you say use Crocan and Teams API. You have to grant permissions, which I've done already. It's going to ask you to log in, and permissions requested except for your organization. It's not published. You accept the permissions, which I already did. You can test the connection, and it'll say here connection successful if you have it done right. And then you have to allow API access also. And this is where you have first it'll become a pending request, and then it becomes an organization-wide request right here. So it's already been approved by us. That has to be done one time. It's set up for that site, one time per site. So once it's set up, then everything's good. Now, this was already set up so that I didn't need to do it again, but that's what you do. Grant permissions, test the connection, then grant API access, and make sure it gets approved. Then you can go over to custom actions and add it just like I did previously. So that's what's going on here. It's quite a great new feature to add to our NITRO Studio, and just wanted to show you how it's done. Okay, bye.